As the pioneers of in-situ machining, Reekie Machining are well known and respected for providing in-situ machining solutions across a wide range of industry sectors. When a major manufacturer in the offshore wind industry encountered a unique requirement, Reekie Machining were well equipped to provide a solution. The requirement was driven by changes to the installation process for offshore wind tower foundations. The structures required the addition of M98 holes in each of the 95 8-meter diameter flanges. The design change posed significant impacts on both proposed schedule and budget. It was key that the machining of the threaded holes was of the highest standard in quality and performance, as errors would impact on integrity of the flange and put delivery milestones at risk. Reekie's solution was to utilize their RTM100 CNC thread milling machines. Thread milling allows for a higher degree of control over the required tolerances and a reduction in risks to quality and timescales posed by human errors or tool breakages. Based on the technical superiority of the solution, Reekie were awarded the contract and were able to meet an extremely challenging start date. At the time of this recording, the team have successfully machined over 500 holes to specification, first time, every time, and have delivered each flange ahead of schedule. Once again, our goal of de-risking the project and reducing schedule was achieved, delivering a safe, efficient, and cost-effective solution. Get in contact with us today with your machining challenge and start benefiting from our exceptional in-situ machining solutions.